Hello everybody, Freddy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make really easy stars. So here we go. So first you want delete everything but your camera. Delete. Go to World Settings. Switch from Blender Render to Cycles Render. Use nodes. Go to Compositing. Materials. Click New. World Settings and Shift A. Color ramp and Shift A Variety texture, and you're gonna connect the color to the factor and set the scale to 120. Set the strength of the background to 1.5. And there. And now watch this. You now have beautiful stars. See? All in under a minute. Okay, so now that's just amazing. Now going to show you a sneak peek of my my other Star Wars, or the other footage of the stuff. The Death Star blowing up Alderaan and still rendering. Doesn't look the best, but trust me, it'll look better when it's going fast. And there'll also be an explosion there, which will always be nice. It will be done in After Effects, which will be even nicer. I also have a pack of explosions. Let's use them. So yeah, that was all under a minute. And well, I mean the tutorial. This was like a sneak preview, like a sneak peek, well, sneak image. Now goodbye everyone, and hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.